Hello everybody and welcome back to the Feroz Moto channel. Today we have another ride along F82 BMW M4. This is a DCT model with some extra goodies in there, and we're rocking around, I want to say around 500 wheels, so it's definitely got more juice, and we're gonna see what you can do within the limit on this road. Some history with me: I had an M2 competition before, so I'm no stranger to the S55, and originally I really wanted this car, but I just saw the shorter wheelbase would be more fun, and ultimately I ended up getting back into the long wheelbase with my M3. So no regrets. I can't wait to experience this car again, and we're just gonna see how she does. Tune in. Sounds so good. Brake hard. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Damn, she could do it. Wow. Very tight, very tight. I love M cars, everybody. I just love them. It feels lighter than my car, like just from sitting passenger. Yeah, like it feels very agile. Mine's like a bull I have to wrangle. There's some room for Mr. Biker. Beautiful. The little DCT farts. An angry warthog. Little hairpin into the straight. Another hard hairpin. Nice. Hard hairpin. Ooh, ooh wee. Yes, sir. So strong. Little sticky boy. Oh man. Beautiful, Jared, beautiful. It's Brian! It's another guy in our group. I went to the track day with him.
You should turn around.
He's coming, don't worry.
Kind of blind there.
Yeah, I always slow really hard before the blind ones because I'm like, you never know. Hard hairpin here. Very hard. As a descending turn. Just gonna cut in. Not Jared more. Yes, sir. Woo. sounds so good. Oh, baby. Hard on brakes. Really hard, really hard, really hard. Okay, thank God. Because I'm like, if he went any wide, we're fucked.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah. Alrighty. What a car, man. What a car. Brings me back home to what I had with the M2. The S55 is such a lively motor. Makes all the great noises. Plenty of torque where you need it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.